The Bird and the Giraffe. Once upon a time, there was a bird and a giraffe. "Hello," said the bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Do you want to play?" said the giraffe. "Yes, yes," said the bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to look for the bird. Where is it? Is it behind the curtains? Hello, are you the bird? No, 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 we are the ladybirds. Where is the bird? Are you the bird? No, no, we are the spiders. Psh, psh, psh. Where is the bird? Is it here? Are you the bird? No, we are monkeys. Ah. Look, we are monkeys. Where is the bird? Oh, are you the bird? No, we are rabbits. Hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop. Where is the bird? Are you the bird? No, I'm the tiger. Where is the bird? Oh, you are here on top of my head. Let's play again.